If you've just discovered Temu, you're in for something really exciting. A lot of people don't realize this, but Temu actually gives away real free gifts, extra coupons, and hidden perks just for signing up as a new user. The problem? Most people never unlock these rewards because they don't know the correct steps. They download the app, maybe even place an order, but they miss out on the free stuff that could have been theirs from day one. This isn't one of those sketchy internet offers where they promise free products, but then ask for surveys, credit card info, or hidden fees. Nope, Temu's free gift promo is 100% real, and it works instantly if you activate it correctly. When I first tried it, I honestly couldn't believe it. I added a couple of everyday items to my cart, like a pair of earphones and a phone cover, and suddenly my cart updated with coupons, shipping discounts, and even a free gadget I didn't expect. That was the moment I realized literally rolls out the red carpet for new users. So let me break down the exact steps for you. Step 1, click the link, scan the QR code, or use the code on screen. This step is non-negotiable. It's the key that unlocks the hidden rewards. If you don't do this, Temu treats you like a regular user and only shows you the basic welcome coupons. So you must click the link in the description, tap the pinned comment, scan the QR code, or just type in the code shown on screen. Think of it like an invitation-only event. Without the invite, you'll only see the front lobby. But with the code, the doors open to a VIP lounge full of free gifts. Step 2, download the app and sign up now. Download the Temu app. It's available for both iPhone and Android. The sign-up process is quick. You can use your email, phone number, Google account, or Facebook. It takes less than a minute. Here's the cool part. Because you use the code or link, your account is automatically preloaded with hidden rewards. No more hunting for codes online. No more testing expired ones. You skip all the guesswork and unlock everything in one shot. It feels like starting a game. Step 3, claim your free gifts and coupons. Now that you're inside the app, go straight to the Perks or Coupon tab. This is where Temu hides all the special bonuses. You'll usually see free products, cashback offers, free shipping, and exclusive percentage off coupons. Don't just look at them. Make sure you tap claim or save so they attach to your account. If you skip this, the rewards might not show up at checkout. I tapped claim and immediately saw free shipping plus a discount coupon worth more than $10. That was basically money saved. Step 4, shop and apply your freebies. Here comes the fun part, shopping. Temu has a huge catalog: electronics, fashion, home goods, beauty products, pet supplies. As you add items to your cart, the coupons and free gifts you claimed earlier will automatically apply. You'll see your total drop right in front of your eyes. For example, once added kitchen tools worth $25. After applying my free gift promo, paid around $12. Also got free shipping plus a small gadget for zero cost. Watching the price drop while freebies show up makes shopping way more exciting. Step 5, check out and enjoy your rewards. Finally, before confirming your order, double check your cart. Make sure all your claimed discounts, free items, and shipping perks are showing. Once everything looks good, hit confirm, and that's it. You just unlocked rewards that most people never even see. So why settle for the boring, basic deals when you can start off with way more? Use the link, scan the QR or type the code on screen right now and unlock your Temu free gift promo today.